What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned and stay in tune. So I don't got to do too much talking. You know exactly what's about to go on. So let's get into it. This shit is so smooth compared to the M4. There's something about the transmission, something about the engine, like it's just so much smoother than the S55. If you know, you know. I mean, I guess that's what you could expect with a fucking 6 Series. You're spending X amount of dollars from the factory. You would expect this shit to drive way better than an M4. Good old construction. So I'm still debating what color I want to wrap this car. I was thinking of green, but fun fact, I don't do colors that I've already done, so green would have to be out of it. Can't do yellow. I've had Austin Yellow M3. Can't do red. I had an RSX red. Obviously can't do purple. So there's a couple colors that I'm debating, thinking about doing, but definitely stay tuned for that, because I can't wait for this big body 6 to look completely different. The gray is like, I don't really like it, not a fan of it, but yeah, this guy is trying to do something. smooth. I think this M6 by far is my favorite M. It beats the F80 in my eyes, and it beats the F80 too. Those are the only M's that I could speak for the ones that I've had. I've driven an M5, F10. It's okay, but I think the platform itself, M6, Grand Coupe of course, is by far the best. So my last video I said, if you had the option to have an S63, whatever it would be, whether it's an F90, F10, whatever, which one would you pick? I'm still picking this M6 over everything. Even X5M, everything. Good old gaslight. I'm in the middle of fucking nowhere. Good old Long Island, middle of fucking nowhere. Whoa. You know you're in the middle of nowhere when your shit fucking merges like that. I wonder where the fuck they're going. M340? It looks like a 330. That is a 330. Jersey plates? What are you doing over here? Oh, this light is gonna take forever. I was thinking about doing downpipe tune on this platform opposed to the S60, I mean the S55, my M4, just because I don't feel like doing crank hubs and all the preventative maintenance just to support the power. So I think I'm gonna leave that one stock, and I think I'm gonna use this platform as something that's a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for, reliable when it comes to adding power to it. Oh, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? That's beast, I'm not gonna lie. That's fucking beast. Jesus. Must be nice being rich one fucking day. I feel like this is like some rich people never come outside type shit. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Oh, it's green. think I'm gonna end it here. But like I said in the beginning, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay in tuned, and I'll see you in another motherfucking video.